The perfect exhaust solution for your pickup, whether it's a Ram 1500 like this, an F-150, an F-250, a Chevy Silverado 1500, 2500, whatever it is. If your truck has got a gas engine and you want to have that flexibility, this is the solution. I'm driving along right now, and this truck has the following mods. It's bone stock engine wise. It has the middle muffler deleted. We have the universal valve muffler, 3 inches in the midsection. And we have a set of Resonator delete pipes out back. I'm driving around with the valves closed right now, and it's just like the truck is bone stock in here. So if you start from a level where it's bone stock, it's really nice. You can drive the truck all the time. There's no drum, there's no unwanted frequencies. One click of the home link button, and you get a lot more bass in the cabin, a lot more excitement, and a lot more aggression from the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi that is in this particular truck. So that's the flexibility you get. When the valves are open, you get the nice deep down low sound, and then when the valves are closed, the truck sounds like it's bone stock. This is with the valves open. You get a nice aggressive sound out back. It's nothing crazy. It's like an MBRP or like a Borla system or MagnaFlow would be with the valves open. You get that nice aggressive sound. Smooth, no drone. And of course, you can always close it and have it be super refined. We've programmed the exhaust remote to work with the garage door buttons here. All the way left is opened, all the way right is closed. That's just been programmed, very easy. There'll be a separate video below of how to do that for your truck. But this is gonna be a little bit of a longer video because we wanna show you guys, everybody who has a pickup truck, stop wasting your money on buying these $1,500 catbacks. This muffler is 400 bucks. The install was another 200 bucks, and the Resonator delete pipes I think were 250. You can have a valved exhaust, perfect for your neighbors, perfect for in the car, great sound when you want, and it's not a crazy amount of money. Gone are the days where you have to compromise. This is the exhaust solution. So we're gonna put you guys inside like we are now. Outside, I'm going to put a GoPro on the bumper. We're going to show you guys all the sound characteristics. And at the end, no matter what pickup truck you drive, whether it's a truck like this, a Ram TRX I happen to have personally, or it's a 1500 Chevy or a 1500 F-150, whatever it is, this is the exhaust solution. There is no compromise, and it is the ultimate experience. Open up the rear window here. The tonneau cover is making a little bit of noise on this truck, but listen. Get a nice, clean, aggressive sound.